Hi everybody, and welcome to Cindy's Certified Recipes. Today we're talking oatmeal, and if you're like me and you'd rather eat just about anything else than a bowl of oatmeal, then stick around because we're dusting off our slow cookers and I'm going to make you an oatmeal that tastes like bread pudding. So like and subscribe everybody, and let's go make that oatmeal. I'm so excited to get all this together because this oatmeal is so good. Now we're going to start off with 1 3/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of milk, and I use whole milk, but you can use whatever type of milk you like, even almond milk or coconut milk, oat milk, just whatever you like, and 2 tablespoons of honey, hard to get out of that little container. And then we're going to put in 1 cup of oats, and these are steel cut oats, and they have a higher fiber and higher protein than regular oats, than the rolled oats. And they also are less processed, so that's also something to look for. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 5 tablespoons of butter. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. That's just a dash of nutmeg. And this is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which are packed with all kinds of nutrients for you, high fiber. And then this is going to be 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And today I'm using apples, a mixture of apples, but you can use anything like peaches, pears, blueberries, even dried fruit. If you put dried fruit in this, it will absorb the moisture and rehydrate. So that's also a great option. And then once you got all that in there, you're going to give it a stir. That's looking good. Flatten it all back down into the pot. Like so. And you're ready to cover that and start it, and it's going to run for 7 hours. And we'll come back to that. Our oatmeal has been slow cooking 7 hours, and I'm about to take the lid off and take a look, and it's almost a shame to call it oatmeal. It smells so good. I'm going to scoop some out and you can see it. It's really light and fluffy, and I'm going to get this crock pot out of the way so we can get a better view. There we go. It is so light and fluffy and full of flavor, and you can make this for guests that stay overnight. You can make it just for yourself because it stores really well. You can freeze this and just warm it up in the microwave. And it's great for the holidays when you got a house full of people. So I hope you enjoy this slow cooker oatmeal and you get a chance to make it. Super easy, super tasty, and super economical. Change up the fruit, use a mix. There's so many tasty options. Plus, if you enjoy my videos, please hit like and subscribe. And remember, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.